doing a cooking special today. I don't just eat food, I actually cook it as well. On the show, I've talked about this amazing wings recipe that I have. I learned from the guys at Hot Rod's Barbecue in Wharton, New Jersey. They do unbelievable smoked wings, and they brought them in, and they taught me their secrets. The whole secret is you need at least 2 different types of textures. That means if you have a crock pot, a deep fryer, a broiler, an oven, a grill, you must use at least 2 of those. I use the crock pot and the oven. Get some real juicy, real tender, and then I throw it in the oven to bake and crisp the top. With the Super Bowl only days away, I figured I would share a little bit of magic. Once you take them out of the oven, you can put whatever sauce you want to on there. Hot sauce, sriracha, Frank's Red Hot, buffalo wing sauce, whatever it is that you want to create on your wing. The key is also when you put it back in the oven or you put it on the grill, you can get it to your desired crispiness. Crock pot keeps in all of the juices. You just put it in the oven to make it crispy on top. Thanks to my dudes over at Hot Rod's Barbecue teaching me the tricks of the trade, because without it, I'd still be fumbling my wings around like Brandon Weeden, throwing pick sixes at all my football parties. Remember to subscribe to Nomad by clicking on that little button right there, and you'll get notifications of brand new episodes. Until next time, remember, Nomad is not just a series about watching me eat food, it's also a series about watching me cook and then eat food. Have a good Super Bowl party. Amendo, out.